Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my six-figure profit, figure profit review. So sorry, So and in this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this course is about, and also I have some exclusive bonus related to this product. And I also will go through the price and upsell as well. If you are interested in it, please stay with me till the end of the video and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe below, subscribe button below. So let's take a look at what is exactly this course is about. You will learn the closely guided draping system or successful internet marketing gurus used to pack massive amount of cash into their bank account. You can start your own online business no existing audience needed. Created for newbie. Proven system that works. Easy to get started. Attend the laptop lifestyle. 30-day money back guarantee. Start making others rich. Stop making others rich. And let others make you rich. This is all about how to create your product. You are only 3 kicks. Step 1, purchase. Step 2, learn how to create it. It is the if you are still so I have some exclusive bonus related to this product. So let's take a look what I have exclusive bonus for you. So let's take a look to my bonus page. So let's take a look to the bonus page and what I have exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1, and this is the package, my video package. 100 wild video package. 100 wild coast video image. 10 free and 100 background music. Such this is also a viral video. Why I included this package for you? Because if you want to create your own product, you have to create in order to increase in conversion to grab your visitor or how to turn them into customer. Video is the most important thing. If you also to outsource this to outsource, it will be so expensive. So I included a package for you. Bonus number 2 is our over the 100 graphic design bundle. This bundle contains mock-ups, order boxes, testimonial templates, script page, social media button, navigation bar, and lots more. This is also the same applied to the first bonus. You will save much more money. If you want to create your product, you have to much more graphic in your sales page. Bonus number 3 is instant access to over 350 royalty-free premium sound check. This is also you have to if you include a video, they will have a sound check in intro and outro. If you outsource, you will take you lots of money. Bonus number 3 is also you will get an extra 500 royalty-free background checks. This is also what just my bonus number 1 to 4. You will save much more money if you want to create your own product. Don't have to outsource. Bonus number 5 is how to build a buyer list. Buyer list is much more important than the freebie list, because what is the buyer list? Is you know the buyer list. They build your list. They are ready to buy a credit card. They have this more 10x more reliable than a freebie list. Bonus number 6, you will have a free book. Discover how your emails can stand out. Tons of other email your subscriber receive daily, and and we also have the same problem. How to grab our subscriber attention, because any subscriber will opt in to many email. They have also have some marketer how to stand out from the crowd. This is also this people will teach you how to do that. Bonus number 7, you have free course how to start making money as an influencer while increasing brand awareness and boosting engagement. If you are a creator, you will have more importance and because many people will believe your brand. If your brand is more popular, people will like, trust, and love you, and then you have a possibility to make them to become a buyer. Bonus number 8, you will has social media marketing pro. This guide will this is a complete guide to social media marketing domination. This is a practical approach and a must for every digital marketer. So I highly recommend you can grab this, and also you could get the bonus from the vendor. And also if you are still if you and this is all my exclusive bonus will be expired before the countdown timer hits 0. And if you are still interested in this product and also my exclusive bonus, simply click the link below and in the description. The first link is my bonus page, and you go through the bonus page and you go through this bonus page, press this blue button and purchase the product, and you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the raw report. All my bonus will be delivered inside in the raw report. Even if you just purchase the front end of the EZSix-FigureProfit. So let's take a look what is so lastly and let's take a look at what is the sales page. The sales page I have to go over for you before and you can see the scroll down. This is also the income proof. This is also to show you the income proof, and also this is the vendor to show you why you will stick with them and how to create your product. This is also very awesome. You stay with him and also how to learn build your own products with them. This is the product of creation. This is also product of creation. It's 3 visual raw report and click banner. There is many products to be launched every single day. If you tap this product creation, you will have somebody just like me and others affiliated to promote your products, and you don't have to worry about how to sell it on yourself. This is also very awesome. If you don't know how to create this product, this is also definitely you could grab this product. You can still scroll through the sales page. So let's take a look. So finally, I will take this because this is an ebook. So and there is no members area. I can show you in this particular product. This is because this is the ebook, and the ebook is you have to purchase the front end. You will get this how to do that. So I cannot. So there is no members area. I can show you what inside the members area because you will get a free ebook. So let's take a look at what is the upsell and the price. You will get this is also a very important. You will get for the first 300 customers, you will get a special bonus. This is a new done for you ClickBank review article. This is a brand new bonus result based on September 2020. It's just for first 300 customers. So I highly recommend you to grab it as soon as possible. And the front end is to let you to master in this corner. It will let you master the art of making money online, creating and launching a 6-figure product, building $1 million product funnel. And this is only for $1.99. This is no brainer. But this front end is just only part of the training because you can see that the price is so very low. So the upsell number 1 is the full training. This is $2,200, but you can buy it down sale with $7. This is a complete training, make up 500 pages. This is a very ton of information in this ebook or report. This is over 500 pages. So you have to just sit down and take note and how to digest this 500 pages ebook. Upsell number 2 is a 6-figure video training. Video training is $57 with down sale with $47. And I still like the front end and the upsell is you have to take time to reading. But if you just and you watch this review, just like just watch this video review you must like to watch video training is rather than reading. You will take much more time to understand the concept. if you want to a video training, I highly recommend you should grab this for down sale just $47. Upsell number five is done for you package 147 is also come with two down sale 109 and 67 in this cover you will deliver done for you product funnel for you. This is also if you are lazy everything is done for you. I highly recommend you can grab this upsell. Upsell number is done for you graphic pack. This is $36 with two down sale $22 and $17. And you will, if you are struggle how to learn what about the graphic, you will easily for you to grab it. This is just $70 of down sale. The last upsell is PRL license 247 with two down sale 199 and 147. I think it is also you have sell it as your own and keep 100% commission for this throughout the entire funnel. What is the benefit? You will start your own online business. Get started today. You should grab real business from just the fun. Stop wasting your previous time on products that don't work. Is pricing is usually pricing is raising. You don't want to wait because if you wait more, the price will be up more. And also you will get all my exclusive bonus. Bonus number one, 100 viral video. Bonus number 2 is 100 over 100 graphic design bundle. Bonus number 3 is 315 royalty free sound check. Bonus number 4 is 500 royalty free podcast check. Bonus number 5 is how to build buyer list. Bonus number 6 is free book. Discover your how to outstand your this email subscribe email. Bonus number 5 is free course how to become start money as an influencer. Bonus number 8 you will get social media marketing pro. How to complete guide to social media marketing domination. This is also must for all of you if you are digital marketer. So you will get the bonus page, bonus number for the vendor. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered inside the Warrior Plus. If you just purchase the front end of EZSix-FigureProfit. So thanks for taking time to check out my review and EZSix-FigureProfit bonuses. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. See you later.